Ever feel like Meta ads is this giant, dark puzzle? Well, what if I told you we're about to flip on the lights? In the next few minutes, we're going to give you the exact blueprint to get started and to do it with confidence. So, you're a business owner, right? Or maybe a freelancer, a marketer, and you're staring at the Facebook and Instagram ads manager, and it just feels like this crazy maze of buttons and options. I get it. Well, think of us as your guide. We're here to show you the direct path right through all that noise. All right, we've broken this whole thing down into 5 super simple steps. First, we'll lay the foundation. Then we'll build your command center. After that, it's about choosing your mission, finding your ideal customer, and this one's a biggie, learning how to avoid that dreaded account suspension. So let's dive right in with the absolute basics. Okay, first things first. Before you even think about spending a single dollar, you've got to understand this one core rule of the entire Meta universe. And that's the massive difference between your personal profile and a business page. Seriously, if you get this wrong, it's game over before you even start. So think of it this way. Your personal profile, that's your private life. It's for your friends, your family, your vacation photos. But a business page, that's your storefront. It's the public face of your business, totally open for everyone to see. It's how you look professional. And this is the bottom line, the most important takeaway right here. You cannot, I repeat, cannot run ads from your personal profile. It's just not how it works. Your business page is the official, non-negotiable ticket you need to even get into the advertising game. No page, no ads. Simple as that. All right, so you've got your public storefront. That's your business page. Awesome. But now you need a back office, a headquarters, to manage everything behind the scenes. This is your mission control, and it's called the Business Manager. Now, the Business Manager is this incredibly powerful tool, and its main job is to keep all your business stuff, your pages, your ad accounts, organized and, crucially, completely separate from your personal profile. Why does that matter? Well, it's all about security, being able to work with a team, and just not making huge, costly mistakes later on. I love this analogy. It just makes so much sense. Think of your business manager as a house. Inside that house, you've got all these different rooms, right? You've got the room for your ad account. That's where the money lives. You've got another room for your page, one for your data pixels. You can even give out keys to your team members. It just keeps everything neat, tidy, and secure all under one roof. Okay, your headquarters is built. So what's next? Now it's time to decide on your mission. See, you can't just tell Meta, hey, run an ad for me. You have to be specific. You have to give it a mission. And in the world of Meta ads, they call this a campaign objective. Now, Meta will throw a ton of options at you here, and it can be super confusing. So let's just simplify it. Think of everything in 3 main buckets. Bucket 1, get seen. This is all about brand awareness. Bucket 2, get clicks. This is for driving traffic or getting people to engage with your posts. And bucket 3, get leads/sales. This is the moneymaker driving direct conversions. And hey, a little pro tip for you. If you're just starting out and your budget's kind of tight, that get clicks bucket is an amazing place to start testing the waters. All right, quick recap. You've got your page, you've got your business manager, you've got your mission. The next massive piece of the puzzle is, who are you actually talking to? So let's dive into the really cool part, how Meta lets you zero in on your perfect customer with, honestly, incredible precision. This right here is where the magic really happens. This is Meta's superpower. You can literally build your perfect customer by combining these 3 pillars. You start with demographics, who they are, their age, their job. Then you layer on interests, what they like, what pages they follow. And finally, you add in behaviors, what they actually do, like how they shop or what device they're using. It's the combination of all 3 that creates that laser-focused targeting. Okay, I need you to lean in for this next part because, honestly, this might be the most important thing we talk about today. There is nothing more frustrating than doing all this work, getting everything set up perfectly, and then, boom, your ad account gets suspended. So let's make absolutely sure that doesn't happen to you. So what's the biggest culprit? What's the #1 reason these accounts get shut down? You might think it's your ad or the words you used, but nope. 9 times out of 10, the biggest red flag from Meta's automated system is some kind of problem or inconsistency with your payment method. So how do we avoid the trap? It's all about building trust with Meta's computer system right from day one. Think of it like this. There are 3 golden rules. Rule number 1, use 1 dedicated credit card for 1 ad account. That's it. Don't mix and match. Rule 2, The second you set up your business manager, verify your business info. Do it immediately. And rule number 3, when a campaign is running and doing well, please resist the urge to constantly poke and edit it. That kind of nervous energy looks suspicious to the system and can trigger a red flag. And there you have it. That's the blueprint. You now have the core foundation for meta advertising. From setting up your HQ and choosing your mission all the way to finding your audience, and so important, keeping your account safe. The foundation is yours now. The only question left is, what are you going to build?